Everyone, today we are going to discuss a basic concept of rotation. How can we write angular momentum for any rolling type of that is the मतलब कोई व्हील है वो रोटेशनल मोशन एज वेल एज ट्रांसलेशन मोशन कर रहा है तो उसके लिए अपन एंगुलर मोमेंटम कैसे लिखेंगे सो एंगुलर मोमेंटम फॉर ट्रांसलेशन एंड रोटेशन मोशन. Okay, so how can we write? So very simple things. Just look it here. So suppose this is our frame of reference to understand the system. Suppose this is our wheel, and wheel like a suppose wheel like a disc, and the radius of wheel is b, and it is also rotating. So we can write like this. This is rotating with some omega naught angular frequency or angular speed, and also the center of mass of this wheel have velocity in the direction vcm, and the position from the coordinate from the origin of center of mass is rcm. Okay, so how can we write the net angular momentum for this kind of motion? Very simple. We know L vector is nothing but I omega for purely rotation, and L vector is nothing but R vector cross M V vector is for translation. So now we can write L vector for total rolling motion. We can say rolling motion. So for rolling motion, we can say L vector will be purely rotation, that will be I omega naught plus M r center of mass position vector of center of mass from origin cross velocity of center of mass in x direction. This way we can write the angular momentum for a pure rotational or translation motion. So we can say right also in rolling wheel also this is a rolling motion. So that type we can discuss.